Very true naman. Kahit na may experience ka, kahit may skills ka, kahit tumatumbling ka na, hindi ka pa rin guaranteed na makakakuha kagad ng clients. Which is why you have to be creative. A lot of people think that when you are running a business, kailangan lang meron kang skills, experience, kailangan magaling ka mag-English. Those are core skill set na dapat meron ka talaga. However, one thing that's missing out of all of the people that I have interviewed for the past couple of years is that not many people are blessed with creativity. And guilty din ako dito kasi hindi ako ganun ka-creative when it comes to like presentations, graphics design, and all that stuff. The only time that I learned how to be creative is when I started learning how to apply social media management and marketing sa freelancing business ko. As a freelancer, I think it's important that we recognize the fact na nandun na tayo sa creative economy. Na-expose dun sa fact na oh my God, ang dami kong nami-miss na opportunities because hindi ako marunong or hindi ako gumagamit ng social media to reach out sa mga clients. Which is why, when I met Edina, which is our mentor for our social media management and marketing, parang feeling ko mas nag-explode yung juiciness ng aking mga posts. Kidding aside guys, if you are a freelancer, isa sa mga skill set na kailangan marunong tayo is how we can creatively present ourselves and create digital footprints na kahit na after a couple of years, maghanap si client ng, let's say, I'm looking for a virtual assistant, they type virtual assistant, makikita nila yung mga inilagay mo like 2-3 years ago and you documenting your journey sa mismong profile mo. And people will really reach out to you if they see na ikaw ang solusyon sa problema nila. So if you guys are interested to join our social media management and marketing class, we have an upcoming class this October. It's happening on October 19th, yung day 1, and then October 27, yung day 2. This comes with a 2 weeks internship na output-based. Yung output ninyo sa inyong class, pwede nyo nang gamitin as part of your portfolio. Because yes, if you plan on becoming a social media manager or marketer, kailangan ng portfolio. You want to join the class? I-click nyo lang tong link sa profile ko and it will take you to the GigHub. Sa GigHub, nandito na lahat ng kailangan ninyo para makapagsimula mag-work from home. Under live mentorship, dito tayo sa 999 Social Media Management and Marketing with Internship. I-click nyo lang yan and it will open the form for you. It will have all of the details including the course outline. If nasa Instagram kayo, ito naman yung i-click nyo. At kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa Facebook page ko, mas marami kaming binabato dyan na step-by-step tutorials. Like every hour yata may post schedule si admin para laang matuto kayo kung paano mag-start na mag-work from home. So, mag-follow na kayo doon sa page ko. And mahanap nyo doon yung video na to. It will have the direct link sa mismong caption. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, makikita nyo sa mismong description box. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!